Hi there, it's George here. This is the second video of how I growing pawpaw from seed. In the first video I put the seeds to do stratification process in the refrigerator and have passed 3 months already. I took the seeds from the refrigerator. Did you remember in that video? I will include the link in description. I put those pawpaw seeds in the moss sphagnum and they are looking good. The seeds sent by James from California. Hi James, thank you so much again for these seeds. Now it's time for sowing them, and I come here in the nature. I like very much nature. Even I am very close to the river. It sounds water, beautiful nature. So in this video we will plant this pawpaw seeds or Asimina triloba. Okay, I hope I pronounced it correctly the name. Let's do that. Let's open already. So I took one seed. Looks healthy, and they should germinate in a warm place. Let's take all of them and wash a little bit, and then we will sow. Well, these 6 pawpaw seeds, how they looking? They looking good after 3 months in the refrigerator, and seems like they are fresh. It's time for washing them a little bit. We have a river here. We have a lot of rain. Look at the water, very nice. Ready for sowing these seeds already. I use a nivel potting soil as usual with pH 5 to 6.5, and let's add in the pots. Well, now we have to water the soil, then we will sow the seeds above. I'm done. Now I will have to sow these wonderful seeds. But now guess what? We will have to cover them with this soil. And as well we water, but I recommend a spray or something, but I will water careful. Well, it's good. Now I have to take these pots and put them in my room and waiting for germination. There is warm, it's light, and they will grow. We will see. I will just make another video update So stay tuned on my channel, subscribe if you want, and see you next time. Wish me success. Bye bye, George was here.